Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk about some other question that is done about Envato Elements, and it is if Envato Elements include Placeit, and the short answer is no. Placeit is another app that is from Envato, and it's basically an app that can help you to design on the platform different type of content such as print, social media, short videos, and so on. This is not included on Envato Elements. It's a separate platform. Placeit has its own pricing structure. So this is another thing to consider if you're also planning to acquire Envato Elements. It won't include Placeit. This is a different app, not included on Envato Elements. But also if you want to create content, the mostly recommended is Canva as well, that it's also for free, or even also Placeit has some free options that can help you to create either logos, designs, mockups, and different type of content. So no, unfortunately, Envato Elements doesn't include Placeit. So if you have some comments, some questions, don't hesitate to write down. Thanks for watching.